Hi, I'm Lisa, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some cooking and some shopping and some meal planning with you. But in the other order, we're going to be meal planning, doing the shopping list, popping to Lidl, and then I'm going to cook tonight's dinner with you as well. I've done all the kind of like meal planning and the shopping and the cooking, but I don't think I've actually combined them together for you. So it's the first time I'm trying this. Let me know what you think. I thought it might be a nice thing to actually do, so you get to see like the whole process from the start through to the end. I am working on my shopping list for Lidl right now. I don't always go to Lidl. We tend to shop mostly in Waitrose. It's on the doorstep and the kids both work there, so we do get discount, but I love the fruit and veg in Lidl. I like the meat, and there's a few other bits and pieces that I always buy. I do have a previous shop with me Lidl video, which I will link up below for you as well. So I am now, it's Wednesday as I film. I've got the meals planned for this week. I need a couple of items for the meals this week that I'm going to buy today, but I'm also going to take the opportunity, as I am shopping in Lidl today, I'm going to think ahead for next week's meal planning, and then anything that I need from Lidl today I can pick up ready for next week. That's the thing with meal planning. I think planning in advance just makes it so much easier. Even if you don't actually fancy those foods, those meals that you've planned on that day, you can usually switch things about. So this is where I meal plan. I meal plan in my planners, which I will link up below for you, and it just helps keep me organized. But I've got everything written down, and I'm going to get back to work, and then we'll be going to Lidl shortly. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of this new spin of the cooking, the planning and the shopping. Let me know if you like that idea and if you'd like to see more of these videos. Leave your comments below, please. Please like this if you've enjoyed it, and please remember to subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much. So here's a close-up of this week's meal plan. Thought it'd be easier for you to see, and with Holly being vegan, I always have to do like a vegan option as well. Sunday I'm keeping free at the moment, not quite sure, see what the weather's like, maybe we'll do a barbecue or something, so I've always got to make sure that I've got something extra in for that day. So I've got a shopping list, we're about to go shopping. Time, but there isn't one. What are you looking at? What's that? The great big vine tomatoes. This is the quinoa that we've been buying lately for £1.09. And these are the noodles that Holly loves, and they're only 22p. This is only 29p. There's some pool inflatables for £7.99. Just been getting our meat and things for a barbecue. There's a little bit of a veggie section at the top there. We've just picked up some Linda McCartney sausages for £1.39. Looking to see if there's any special offers on that take our fancy. I don't think there are. Oh, what are these? Hummus chips. They sound nice. 99p. This is the chocolate that I talk about all the time in my videos. 39p. It's white, milk, and somewhere there should be some dark chocolate. Oh, it's over there. Aid's just found his very own ketchup.
Well, not mine. But...
little glasses on. I'm going to use these digestives. I'm going to use these. They're 31p. It's a really good price. I'm just going to use them for baking. And we're ready to pay. I found some salad dressing. It's not what I usually have, but we'll give it a go. Right, I spent in total £55, but I did get quite a lot, so I'll just run through things with you. French fries, 79p. We've got the Linda McCartney sausages. I think they were £1.39. We're ending up now, we're doing a last minute barbecue tomorrow. The kids have got friends coming over. So I've got a load of bratwurst, and they're £1.99 a pack. I've got 2 packs of salmon for dinner next week. They're £3.25 each. Louis really likes the cooked ham trimmings. Really nice thick pieces of ham. Likes them in sandwiches, and they are £1.89 for that great big pack. I'm going to barbecue these drumsticks for Louis and his friends with a barbecue sauce. They are £1.65 for that big pack. And then I've got a big pack of chicken breasts for £5.29. Got a big bag of frozen peas for 79p. I love hummus. I've got a thing for hummus at the moment. Hummus light, 69p a pot. Lettuce, 62p. We've got apples. The pack of apples are just £1.15. Strawberries £1.69. I've got cherry tomatoes, a pack of normal tomatoes, and I've got some margarine there for 99p. Just completely forgot that I'm filming and I've put the washing machine on, so I apologise. Right, on to the next bit. We've got a bag of sweet potatoes, £1.13. We've got a load of tortilla wraps for 79p, and then I've just got more salady bits. Radishes, a couple of peppers, they were on offer for 30p each. Spring onions were also 30p. Pack of 3 white onions, celery, cucumber, broccoli, carrots, and these pears were 60 something p. And 2 bleach sprays for the loo, and these were 99p. And here's the last bag. You saw I picked up the noodles that Holly loves. They are 22p each. I've picked up, these are my favourite snacks at the moment, these pea snacks, and I'm actually going to take these on holiday with me. There's 6 bags in there for 99p. This was the salad dressing that I picked up, the Caesar dressing. No idea what it's like. I tend to use a little bit. Add white wine vinegar to it and a little bit of honey, and use that as dressing. Sometimes a little bit of grainy mustard as well. This is what we're using for dinner tonight. The pesto for 69p with the chicken. What else have we got? I picked up Louis some cheese topped rolls for work, 69p. It's things like the sweet corn that really saves us money. 39p for the big thing of corn. We've got ketchup, 29p pasta, 39p chocolate. Digestives, I think they were 31p. I've got the receipt here. Yep, 39p. That's such a great price. And then I picked up Holly some vegan chocolate puddings, and they were £1.29. So that's £50 in, or £55 in total. And I think I got quite a lot for my money. What do you think? Some good meals there. By the way, I just want to share a recipe with you. I tried last night using the egg noodles, and it's Singapore, I think it's, I don't know if it's Slimming World or something like that. I made these egg noodles. This is left over, which we're going to have for lunch today. They're like curried noodles. I've used corn instead of chicken, and they're absolutely amazing. The smell coming right now is so good. Really, really good, really healthy, really cheap, and I'll link up that recipe below for you. Tonight's dinner then is a super quick tray bake. We've got 3 chicken breasts, it's just the 3 of us eating, a load of cherry tomatoes, onions, and courgettes. I will add some peppers nearer to when it's finished, and I'm adding this pesto. I will add some peppers close to when it's finished. I'm just going to top with some of this pesto from Lidl. Like that. You can guess which the fussy one's having. And then I'm going to grate some cheese over the top. And I've grated some cheese. I've added a little bit of drizzled oil over the courgette and seasoning over everything. And I'm going to pop that in the oven. And here it is, all nicely baked, 25 minutes in at 190, and I've done green beans and broccoli to go with it. It looks so yummy, and the colours on the plate are so pretty. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video today. I hope you've enjoyed the shopping and the cooking and the meal planning. Let me know if you like a combination of the cooking and the shopping and all that kind of thing all in one video, and I can do that again for you. And let me know if you like to shop in Lidl as well, and what your favourite things are, what we need to go and try. I do recommend that recipe. It was so delicious and really, really easy. I'll link up the Pinterest recipe below for you, but it's so straightforward, just with the chicken, the pesto, the cheese, and then just throw in whatever veg, potatoes and that you want, and pop it in the oven. Really, really easy. I love a one-pot meal. Thank you very much for watching today. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. Please share it with anyone that you think would also enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up if you love a cook and a shopping video, and please subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.